Hi, today I am going to show you how you can enter in Kaggle competition by using Kaggle kernel. By default, every user placed under working directory means here any simple folder. And of course, to make a machine learning model, you need data. So where data is located? Most of the time data is located under input directory. So you have to go there to access the data. How you can do that? You see the command set working directory I write, and what it do, it by writing this command, what happens that users can go there. So why I'm writing here 2 point, because there are, you can imagine there are users have to pass a 2 line. That's why I am here 2 line, 2 point. You reached here now. To access data, you have to go under input directory. Now you just simply write a directory name and you are able to go there. And now you can make a machine learning model. To save time, you just directly write set working directory, and this command you can directly go there in input directory. Now let's go in Kaggle website. This is a Kaggle website, and you have to type here New York City taxi trip duration, which we will do together competition. So click here notebook and click here new notebook tab. By default is Python interface. I am coming after a very long time in Kaggle because I was preparing for other exams. So if you in 1 year ago approx, there is other things is available like arc markdown, but it is removed from the Kaggle. Anyways, so after that, this is a Python interface, and uh, you have to go there and choose here R, and you can just type here your title name. I delete all the things. I create a markdown. I write a get wd command. So in you are in working directory, you have to go there in input directory. So this is output directory, and this is a base Kaggle directory, as you can see. So you can imagine that a Kaggle is somewhere. So you have to go there this side, and after that you go there this side, this folder, you are able to get dataset. Write set wd command. If I am checking my current working directory, this is a Kaggle. Now I again go in input directory. If I am check now, so I am here under input directory. Now if I want to check the list of files, there is a command list.files. So this is a folder. Under this folder dataset is contained, so you have to go inside this directory. So I just copy this folder name. So now you are able to see the test and training dataset. Instead of all these things, what you can do, you just copy here the file path and paste here. Now I am using the tidyverse library, uh, importing the dataset now. So this is error. Sorry, all the dataset in zip file. So I have to write here .zip file. I am seeing the first few rows of trained dataset. So this is a few rows. We will explore these all things together So thank you for now.